Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 in VMware Workstation. Generally, Red Hat Enterprise Linux is installed on real hardware, but during this series we use VMware Workstation. So here is my VMware Workstation 9. I just create a new virtual machine, go through by default, typical and next. Now ISO file from our desktop. Now click to next Linux, and I already select Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 64-bit. It's our Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7, so I just renamed it. Now click to next. Click on store virtual disk as a single file. Allocate disk space according to your need. I just select 30 GB. Next, customize your hardware, and in this field you can check memory. Minimum 2 GB is required for Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7, and another thing is leave it by default and just close it and finished. Now start our virtual machine by clicking on that icon, and our process will be started. Now select on install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.0, press enter, and our process will be started. Now select your language. Here I select English and English United States, or you can also select another. Just click to continue. Now select your date and time. India is for me. Done. Next, software selection, and you can see here there are lots of options. You can directly install server like DNS name server, backup server, dictionary server, mail server, FTP server. But in this series we install and set up step by step. So I just install server with GUI and done. Now installation destination. You can make your own partition by clicking on that button, but I recommend it for new user. Automatically configure partitioning and done. Now begin installation. Select here and type your root password. I know it's a weak password, but it's enough. Done. Now user creation. Type your username as always, Mr. X. Make this user as a admin and type password and done. And you can see here package installation process is starting, and it may take some time to install, so I just pause this video and come back. As you can see, our package installation process will be completed soon, and now performing post installation setup task. Just wait for a while, and our installation process is completed, so don't panic. We are doing tons of stuff during this series. We are just starting from beginning to go through advanced. Now our basic system configuration process is running, and our installation process is completed. Now just reboot this. Now accept license agreement, and I accepted license agreement. You can also read that policy. Just done and finish configuration. And you can see here key dump kernel crash dumping mechanism. I just enable key dump automatically and forward. It's message about subscription manager, so in this case no for later time. And you can see here Red Hat login screen. Click your username and type your password, and you can see here GUI version of RHEL 7. You can see different menus, favorite, accessories, documentation, internet, sound, videos, sundry, system tools, utilities, it's about X11 language, so I click English United States and next. Input language, leave it by default, and starting Red Hat Enterprise server. So that our Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7. We will discuss system locate and keyboard configuration in next video. Please subscribe and give your feedback, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.